and poll campaign lead generation. How to integrate survey and poll campaign lead generation into web application? MySQL configuration. First, you have to do configuration of the database. We created video for MySQL database configuration. We will recommend it. See the video link in the description box. Upload zip file via FTP or file manager. We will recommend it. See the video link in the description box. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the live interface. The dashboard displays information about your profile, total surveys, polls, and leads. On the left side, you'll find the dashboard, poll manager, and survey manager. From here, you can manage and edit your polls and surveys. Click on the arrow to create a new poll. To create a poll, enter your question and answers. For example, you can ask, which is the best car company? And provide options such as Honda, Tata, Suzuki, and Mahindra. Next, select the web page option as the default and click on Create Poll. You'll receive a share option and a link to copy. When someone opens the link, they'll see the poll page where they can vote. After voting, they'll need to submit their full name and mobile number before clicking Submit. Once submitted, the poll result will be displayed. To view the results, go back to the dashboard and click on Poll Manager, then select Results to view the outcome of each question. Similarly, you can create and manage survey campaigns. Access the survey results by selecting the Results option and choosing a specific question. If you wish to edit your profile or update your company name, you can do so directly from the dashboard. To edit a poll or survey, navigate to the survey or poll manager and select the Edit option. You can edit by clicking Edit icon. Similarly, you can delete a campaign by clicking on the Delete option. You can also view the votes, comments, and dates for both poll and survey campaigns. If you want to see the leads, select a specific question and click Submit. This will display the leads and their details. By clicking on Check, you can see the individual's answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.